And I guess we should call this video how to tell if your throttle is open or closed. What you want to do is just power it up, and I'm going to stick my starter in here and I'm going to spin it, and if it's closed it'll be quiet, and if it's open I'll hear it. So let's give this a little shot here. Open it. Yeah, that's it. Closed. You can hear it's closed because it's a little quieter. And then when I open it up, so we're ready to go start this baby. And that's how you tell if your throttle is open or closed. Thanks for watching.